Right, how to remove oxygen sensor, upstream oxygen sensor in Toyota Corolla. So anything from 2006, I believe, all the way to 2018, identical. So if you want to do it from the top, just like I did here, you need to remove basically filter box, and it has one connector that goes into that MAF sensor that I showed, and the hose that goes into the intake. Make sure nothing you drop into the intake. So you have plenty of room to access from the right side of the engine. So mine got stuck a little bit, so I'm gonna use WD-40 just to loosen up a little bit. Also, you're gonna need oxygen sensor removing socket, which is I think $8-9 I got it from that piece right there. You just slide it in over the cord, and you just use a wrench to remove it. One thing I want to mention here also, I forgot to mention, I'm just reversing it here. You have to basically disconnect the wiring right there, which is held by that little spring right there. And this is just the connector. You just undo it, remove it, and then once you if your oxygen sensor is stuck as well, just like mine, just spray it with WD little bit, just let it sit for maybe like 10 seconds, and then you can try to remove it. So mine got stuck, but it just takes one turn to loosen up, and then you can just unscrew it basically with your fingers, and it should come off pretty easily. So that's how you remove it and replace the oxygen 2 sensor in Toyota Corolla from 2006 all the way to 2018. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel.